Alright guys, I'm going to attempt to try to polish some of these parts on my Glock 22C. This is a compensated model. I started just with the tip here. As you can see, if I can focus it, with the Dremel. Let's see if we can get this focused here. You can see it's really shiny on the tip, and all I was using was just a high gloss polish. I didn't even use a cleaner yet, so I'm going to start with this here. This is a heavy duty cleaning compound. It's a Porter Cable brand. It's just a regular cleaner that you put on your Dremel, and it helps clean the surface and prep it for high gloss polishing. So we'll get that started. I'm going to pull these pins out, get all these pins out here, and pull out the slide lock. I'm going to polish these two. They shouldn't take too much effort with the Dremel. As you can see, I've already polished the internals for a smoother action. So this is an experiment, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, it's been about, I don't know, 20-25 minutes or so. I got all the pins polished, the slide stop polished. I think they came out pretty good. I just used that real heavy duty cleaner first, and then clean them up and polish them with a high gloss. I'm using a Dremel that is adjustable for speed, so I can adjust how fast I want it to go and how quickly I want it to clean and polish. So we'll go on to the barrel now. There's the next. Okay, so what I've been doing is I've ditched the heavy duty cleaner. It's not working as well as I wanted it to. It might be a little old and dry. So basically I've polished most of this just with the high gloss polisher. So we'll go ahead and I'll show you kind of how I'm doing it. I'm just using my Dremel. It's going to be on setting number 7 or so. That's what I'll be polishing, 7 or 8. Goes up to 10. Not sure what the RPMs are, but we'll do it on a 7. You can kind of see what I'm doing here. And it is really cleaning up that finish on there too. You can see. Got to get a good coat on there. It really is working its way on it pretty well, so. Go ahead and wipe this off a little bit and we'll see. Reveal some of the goodness here. Now this isn't the final finish. You can see how much more shiny it is. You can see the reflection right here. This was all still had the finish on it, but I'm going to use some Mother's polish. We'll go Mother's Mag Aluminum polish, which is very common for cleaning and polishing parts, and then I'll go back over with the high gloss on the Dremel. Okay, got the first final polish on it using the Dremel and the high gloss compound. I'm going to use some Mother's polish on there, do a little hand polish, and then probably go back over with the Dremel. We'll see how the results come out, but so far it's looking pretty good. Okay, so here's the final product. Nice and polished. Mirror shine. Nice polished feed ramp, which was already done, but just clean it up a little bit better. Pretty happy with it. I'm going to assemble it now, see what it looks like.